Okay, hello dear friends. Today in this experiment we are going to see pressure measurement. How to do pressure measurement? We have seen theoretically about the pressure during the theory class. Pressure is what? Pressure is the energy. Okay, this pressure is developed by applying a force on a particular area. So force upon area, that is called as pressure. Unit of pressure we have seen Newton per meter square, that is Pascal. Big unit, that is bar. So this pressure value we are going to see by using different devices. So these devices are mounted on this test setup. So test setup name is given here, that is pressure measuring test rig. Okay, now pressure measuring test rig means what? Test rig means this is a frame, this complete part. This is for demonstration purpose. For the demonstration purpose, different devices which are mounted on this setup, this complete system is called as test rig. So aim of this or objective of this or use of this test rig is what? To measure pressure. Okay, so here are number of devices to measure the pressure. So first device we will see, that is called a single tube manometer. So this is a single well manometer or single tube manometer. Okay, now in this manometer we will see how to measure the pressure. Okay, now for that purpose we need source of pressure. So source of pressure means what? Pressurized air or pressurized water or pressurized gas. Okay, now here we have water, pressurized water. To pressurize water, again we will need some device. So that device is what? Centrifugal pump. So in this setup we will see this is a centrifugal pump. This centrifugal pump is of capacity 1 horsepower. Okay, this pump has two lines. We have seen in a theory suction line. This is called a suction line. Suction line by which water is taken in the pump, and this is a delivery line. This is a delivery line by which or along which that water is delivered. So suction line and delivery line. Now this suction line is connected to this tank where the water is stored. So this is a source of water, that is called as sump, water sump. Okay, now here one more line we find here. This is return line. Whenever we don't water, pressurized water, at that time we allow water back again to the sump. That is why it is called as a return line. Whenever we want to go water to the different locations of the pipe to which these different devices are connected, okay, at that time we close this wall, return line wall, and we divert water as per the requirement. Okay, that we will see. Now here pump is having two parts. This part is an electrical motor, that is prime mover. To run the pump, to rotate the impeller inside this pump, we need prime mover. So that is electrical motor. So this is electrical motor. On this another side here, this side there is a centrifugal pump. Okay, now to run this electrical motor we need electrical connection. So here we are using this electrical connection. So by making this switch on, pump will be started. So initially now the pump is started, but this complete water is not going to the different location. It is coming back to this pump, water sump. It is coming back. Means now we are not using pressurized water. Okay. Now how to use this pressurized water? For that purpose, now what we have to do? First case we will do for the measurement of pressure by using this piezometer. Here is a connection. First of all we will do this connection. This connection is done. This is a connection done. Now to this line here, to allow the water, here is a wall. This wall we will open. Then the water will be rising in this tube. Okay. So for that purpose now we will see how to do this. So this wall I have closed. Now this wall also I will close. Then we will see here entry of water through this pipe. Here you will find on this tube a rising of water I will adjust that height in such a way that to take the reading. Yes. So we have adjusted this wall. We have adjusted this wall in a such a way that water which is coming via this pipeline and rising here, that is giving us reading of 20 centimeter. This is a reading of 20 centimeter. Now this is not pressure, this is a pressure head because it is in meter or centimeter. This is a scale which is provided here, that is in a centimeter. We have to convert that in meter. Okay. Now here we will calculate the pressure by using the formula, that is PG, means gauge pressure, because we measure pressure by using device, that is gauge pressure. Okay, so this PG, how to calculate? Formula for this, rho into G into H, rho G H. Rho is the density of fluid, G is the acceleration due to gravity, and H is the height. So here is a water, that's why it is 1000 into acceleration due to gravity, that is a constant, that is 9.81, into height we got how much? That is 20 centimeter. This 20 centimeter we have to convert into meter. So for that purpose we have to divide it by 100. 20 divided by 100. Now this product 1000 into 9.81 into 20 divided by 100. This product when we do in a calculator, we find answer. That answer is 1962. That answer is 1962. 1962. This unit will be what? Of this Newton per meter square. Newton per meter square. It is also called as Pascal. Pascal. 1962 Pascal. Okay. Now this we have to convert into bar. So for this conversion we divided by 10 raised to 5, because we know that 1 bar is equal to 10 raised to 5 Pascal. So divide 1962 divide by 10 raised to 5. That comes 0.01962. That comes 0.01962. That comes in a bar. That comes in a bar. This is a gauge pressure. Okay. Now next we have to calculate total pressure, that is absolute pressure. Formula is what? Gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. PG plus PATM. So here PG is calculated 0.01962 plus atmospheric pressure we take standard value 1.01325. Summation of these two. So answer comes 1.03287. 1.03287 bar. So this is an absolute pressure measured. Absolute pressure measured by this device, that is what? Single well manometer. Okay, now this value what we calculated, that is only for the adjustment done we have, setting we have done. If this setting we change, we find different value. Now here is a limit. By using this tube, we can measure pressure maximum up to height of this scale or this tube. If this pressure we want to use, we want to measure for a larger pressure, we have to increase this height. So limitation of this piezometer is what? If we use water, we can measure pressure up to limited value, that is light pressure.